Welcome to our channel. A structured practice routine is essential for consistent improvement. These step-by-step guidelines will help you maximize your practice time. Step 1. Start every session with a proper warm-up. Spend 10 minutes stretching and hitting short wedge shots to loosen your muscles and establish rhythm before moving to longer clubs. Step 2. Allocate your practice time wisely. Dedicate 50% to short game, 30% to full swing, and 20% to course management and specialty shots. Most strokes are lost around the green, so prioritize accordingly. Step 3. Use deliberate practice techniques. Rather than mindlessly hitting balls, set specific goals for each session. Work on one or two specific elements of your swing or focus on particular yardages. Step 4. Practice with purpose and simulate course conditions. Hit different clubs to different targets, vary your lies, and create pressure situations. Random practice transfers better to actual play than block practice. Step 5. Include putting drills in every session. Work on distance control from various lengths and practice breaking putts from different angles. Spend at least 20 minutes on the putting green. Step 6. End each session by hitting shots with your favorite club. Finishing on a positive note builds confidence and creates positive associations with practice. Step 7. Keep a practice journal tracking what you worked on and areas needing improvement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.